I took this little thing and dragged it away. And well, I think I lost it, sweetheart.
Craigslist fine for $200.
$200, $600.
$99 motor with $999 of extras on it.
Cheap as chips, loads of fun, totally gorgeous.
Vision, creativity, time.
Bringing your bikes to everybody. We loved all of it and we loved talking to you guys, so yeah, it was amazing. Thanks.
I built the whole thing in my studio apartment next to my bed and my kitchen. All the custom stuff was 3D printed.
It was $200 for the bike and $35 for the rear snow tire.
Harbor Freight motor. Hate to tell everybody that.
Harbor Freight. Do we know what we're saying here? Harbor Freight.
We're going to be selected from all the regions, and you get a trip for